This clip's next. Inside right here is a little piece that rocks like this. So what you want to do is you want to press down on this very back end right here. Kind of like this. Push that thing in. See how it rocks? And you'll see when we take it off, you can kind of see it rocking. But there's one on the bottom too, so you're going to have to press it and pull. Let's set you back here. But what I had to do was I had to put this in here and do one of these numbers to pull it out because, like I said, it was not very cooperative. So look, there's where the little nipple is. Alright, I hope that helps. Here's a close-up of how to remove this clip right here at the back of the alternator. You see that little red thing right here? You gotta push it like this, rock it up. Then we're gonna pull it out a little bit. And I'm gonna put the screwdriver in here and slip the screws to it. Nice. Now you can push this down. Just pull this out. Voila. Okay, so we're gonna remove this clip right here. This right here is your alternator. And this is the air conditioner. So what we're gonna do is push this black tab in, and then this red piece we're gonna grab like this and pull up. Then we can push the black piece in, hold it in, and pull the entire clip up. So let's do it. First, push the black piece in, and when you pull the red piece up, it'll click. Just like that. Now, I'm pushing the black piece. There, success. See what I'm saying? Okay, so this is the Evaporative Emissions Control. And I take this clip off of here, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. You push this all the way. This will stop. And then there's a button right here you push down. At the same time you pull it. Wow. So that's how you do that. What we need to do is take this off. You pull it straight up. And there's two things. There's this one and this one that we need to take off. This, the green one, if you push it in this way and push down on the green, you'll be able to get it off. Watch. Push in, push this down, and pull off. So that's that one. Now this one is a little bit more trickier. Here's the secret. Just like the top one. Push it in, push this thing down. Success.